guys, my name is Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. One of the biggest problems that we have at the Senzo case is Judge Ratamo Kgwatleng, the presiding officer. He's the problem. Oh, he is the biggest problem of them all. He is a huge problem in that case. Because when the state stumbles, the court steps in. Objecting for the prosecution is his thing. Redirecting witnesses is his thing. Shutting down defense questions is his thing. He is a judge. He is a prosecutor. He is a witness. He is a referee. All in one robe. It's Judge Ratamo Kgwatleng. This is not how justice works. This is how miscarriage of justice are born. Judge Ratamo Kgwatleng is the one that is making problems here. He is busy engineering things there, manufacturing things there, because he acts as if he wants the accused common purpose to succeed. That's what he is doing there. The case is no longer about the truth. The case is about what Judge Rata wants. Judge Rata can see that to end this problem, he needs to tell Baloyi, this case does not meet the constitutional or legal standards. He needs to tell Baloyi that. But no, all he does, he's bringing difficulty in this. Because when he becomes a referee and enter the game, a biased referee, nogal. Oh my Lord, I think he forgets that courts are a sanctuary for fairness. But Yena, throughout this trial, the defense has been confronted with judicial interruptions that protect the state, objections raised on behalf of the prosecution, questions reframed before witnesses could answer, a court that appears invested in salvaging a state case or a failing case. Justice must not be seen, must not only be done, it must also be seen to be done. And that is not what we are experiencing when it comes to Judge Ratamo Kgwatleng. A presiding officer cannot be a witness. He witnesses every day. He becomes a prosecutor. He cannot be a prosecutor, but Judge Rata is the one that does objections without saying objection. Judge Rata is the referee, a biased referee in that game that is being played in that courtroom. At the same time, he wants to be a judge. All at once, he wants all these to be his. At some point, I think he is going to surprise us and become an accused too. That's what he does. He disrespects the accused, and he disrespects the defense lawyers, and he shows no mercy for any of them. But the reverence that he shows for the prosecution and the police officers that come there is unmatched. But when it comes to disrespecting the defense, he screams, he shouts, he does. Yes. Those are the things that he does in that courtroom. And yet he expects us to respect him as the public. He calls us abondaba. He watches our YouTube channels and calls us abondaba. No, man, that is why I'm like, this man, yes, he has Costa. Because if this man finds this guy is guilty, I promise you, we are in trouble as South Africans. We are in big trouble. I promise you. Because, wow, Sanalam, and guys, I don't know who told Judge Rata he is holier than thou and he is law unto himself. I don't know if he does not see what is happening outside. I don't know, but he does watch the news. He reads the papers, but he acts as if he doesn't give a shit. But he's human too. We were so happy when he kept quiet Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Thursday he went back to factory to factory settings. I was like, I was so happy. Today he was on full force, Kesan. Yeah, but today he was on full force. I don't know about you, but I don't trust Judge Rata, but I do trust the Almighty God. I do believe uyakuyibhala ekhala i-verdict. Uyakuyibhala ekhala i-verdict sana lami. Because the way the law is looking at him like, wenzani? What are you doing there? He acts as if no one can call him out. The way you will hear him that, yeah, take me to appeal. Good luck with winning. It's like uthi come to zakwenza nto. It's not like into ezayenzeka. Konke izakwenzeka. Kuzokwenzeka ntoni? Guys, it's a lot. Singathetha kutshoni la. But one thing that I've noticed is that he is human. When his name is mentioned in bad things, uyadana, ajonge phansi, athule, abe ngathi akekho ekhona. But I think it's his nature ukuba it's his nature akakwazi uzinceda. So there's nothing that anyone can do about that. But it is unfair of him to be rude to officials of the court. Nisi is an officer of the court. He is very rude to Nisi. I think akafuna ukumbona uNisi. Umuntu owayemthanda kangakaya after Mngomezulu died, he hated Nisi. He shows us signs of hating Nisi. Akafuna ukumvethetha, akafuna bagqibe kwa sentence. Akafuna ukumbona. Uyila type ethi, as long as you are not sucking up to me, then we are going to have problems. The moment Nisi stopped, they've always making jokes. They used to make jokes together. But when the time to make jokes ended, the break ended for Nisi. Nisi was like, I'm here to work. When Nisi started really working, that's when he started hating him. One person that is able to stop him from whatever the disrespect is Ramsipilo. Ramsipilo don't play with him. Shades him, respectfully shades him, tells him where to get off, and he knows when Ramsipilo is pissed, he keeps quiet. Ramsipilo is able to keep him shush. And I like that about Ramsa. I like it so much. So, guys, it is what it is, guys. Situation here, Rata. He is the problem in that courtroom. The biggest scam and the biggest problem is Judge Rata, the presiding officer. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Do you think I'm exaggerating what I'm saying about him? Do you think I'm Sugela? Do you think I'm Funi? Do you think, he needs to be, he's old? When someone says he's old, I go crazy. Do you know why I go crazy? If his treatment for all of them was the same, I would agree with that sentiment. That, old age. It can't be old age one-sided. That's where I draw the line. That is where I draw the line. That is where I draw the line. Weird. What are your thoughts, guys, when it comes to any of this thing? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting my channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. You are very much appreciated. Bye-bye.